Why learning to code is a game changer in 2025. Here's one skill in 2025 that's more valuable than ever. It's not just about getting a job. It's not just about making more money. It's about control over your time, your ideas, and your future. That skill is coding. But here's the thing most people don't realize. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need to be great at math. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need to start. Because learning to code today isn't just for developers. It's for creators, marketers, designers, entrepreneurs, even students. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why learning to code in 2025 is a game changer, no matter what your background is. And at the end, I'll tell you the one mindset shift that separates people who just learn to code from those who actually use it to change their lives. Stay with me, this could be the skill that changes everything for you. 1. The world runs on code. Look around you. Your phone. Your car. Your bank. Your fridge. Your favorite app. All powered by code. In 2025, code isn't just behind websites or software, it's behind everything. Smart homes. Healthcare. Entertainment. Finance. Education. Every industry is becoming digital. And that means every industry needs people who can think in code, not just write it, but understand how it works, how to build with it, and how to solve problems using it. Even jobs that aren't technical now expect you to be tech fluent. That means knowing how systems work, how automations run, how to use tools that save time and money. If you can code, even at a basic level, you're instantly more valuable. You don't just follow instructions, you create the tools. That's a major shift. 2. Coding pays. Let's talk about the part everyone thinks about, money. Yes, coding pays well. But in 2025, it pays in more than just salary. Yes, entry-level developers are making $60,000 to $80,000 per year. Mid-level and specialized roles? Easily over $100,000. Freelancers? Some are charging $50 to $150 per hour depending on the project. But beyond that, coding gives you options. You can build your own app or product and sell it. You can freelance and work from anywhere. You can automate your own job tasks and free up time. You can help others build businesses, websites, and tools. It's not just about having a job, it's about building freedom. And in a world where remote work is the new normal, coding opens the door to location freedom, financial freedom, and time freedom. 3. It's easier than you think. Here's the biggest lie about coding. It's only for smart people. That's wrong. Coding is just like learning a new language. At first, it's weird. But then, something clicks. You write your first line of code. You build your first page. You fix your first bug. And suddenly, you realize, you can do this. In 2025, learning to code is easier than ever. You've got free platforms like FreeCodeCamp, Codecademy, the Odin Project, YouTube tutorials, AI-powered code assistants. There's never been a better time to start. You don't even need a computer. A Chromebook or tablet is enough to begin. What matters is consistency, not talent. 10 minutes a day. That's all it takes to build the skill that changes your future. 4. Build, don't just learn. If you want coding to actually change your life, don't just take courses. Build stuff. Too many people get stuck watching tutorials forever. They know theory, but they've never built anything. Want to stand out? Build real things. A portfolio website, a simple weather app, a to-do list that stores data, a landing page for a local business, a chatbot, a script that automates your email replies. The best way to learn is to solve real problems. Every bug you hit, every fix you figure out, every aha moment, that's what makes you grow. And when you build things, you're not just learning code, you're building proof of what you can do. That's what employers, clients, and customers care about. Don't wait to feel ready. Start building now, and learn as you go. 5. You're not too late. A lot of people think, it's too late. Everyone's already ahead of me. But here's the truth, you're right on time. In 2025, coding isn't crowded, it's needed. The world needs more AI engineers, web developers, no-code and low-code builders, app creators, automation experts, people who can connect systems and solve digital problems. There are millions of jobs unfilled. Companies are still struggling to find good developers. And not just in tech, in every industry. You don't need to be an expert in everything. Just knowing how to build small tools, fix small bugs, or connect APIs puts you ahead of most people. You're not too old. Not too late. And not too far behind. All you need to do is start. Conclusion. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, don't just close the tab and move on. Take action. Pick a free course. Build one small project. Learn one simple language, like HTML, CSS, or Python. And if you want more content like this, real-world advice, clear steps, and honest insights, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button.